Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the hardware and permissions. Make sure your webcam works and drivers are current, then open settings and allow camera access for apps. Once done, install a trusted QR scanner app or just use your laptop's camera app if it supports QR reading. Position the laptop so the webcam faces the code and clear any glare. Doing this first prevents permission errors and shaky captures, so you can proceed directly to scanning without interruptions. Now you align and capture the code. Position the printed code or phone screen about 6 to 12 inches from the webcam and center it in the app's preview window. You want a steady image. Use a small tripod or rest your hands on the table, then wait 2 to 3 seconds for the app to detect the pattern. If detection fails, switch to manual focus or increase exposure in the app settings, because clearer contrast and stable framing let the decoder read the code reliably. After a successful read, you'll see the decoded URL or data. Click it to open or copy it to your clipboard, and always verify the destination before interacting. If you don't get a result, increase screen brightness, change the angle, or display the QR on a phone and scan that. This often fixes reflections. Also make sure the scanner app has camera permission, update the app, or use an online decode tool as a fallback. These steps finish the task and resolve most common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.